Hey guys, welcome to Gehistek. In today's video, I'm going to show that how can you make a stunning text using clipping mask. So let's start. So firstly, I am going to take the brush tool and paint according to my needs and planning. After this, hit T and type Gehistek and select the font, whatever you prefer. I am now going to take photos from the web and insert them. Let's click Alt and take the cursor above the text. You may see a change in it and just simply left-click. Do the steps with the other letters too. Now I am going to do some more editing with the text, such as drop shadow and inner glow, as well as stroke. Make sure you save the project and change the blending mode to darken an inner glow menu and overlay and drop shadow. Change, select all the photos and the text to convert them into a smart object so that we can easily drag and drop them. At the end, you are going to have an epic result. That's it. I hope you liked this short tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you soon in the very same tutorials.